LOCOS Private Limited is a tyre manufacturing company. We are into tyre production. We are making tyres from India, Thailand and China. In a unique way, we are selling it to our customers. What are the tyres we are selling in the market? We are engaging the end users through an application. With that application, we are, after the tyres got used, we are taking back the tyres from the customer with some amount of monetization to the customer too. And what are the tyres we are taking back? We are recycling it. The recycling is also not in a usual way. It's a technology called micro-oven technology, which we are doing for recycling the products. So that whatever the tyres, whatever the residue we are getting after recycling, for around 30% of carbon powder, we are utilizing it for the new manufacturing of tyres. So this cycle loop, this circular loop, we are making it. No tyre companies are usually concentrating or concerning about what is happening for the tyres which got manufactured. But as a tyre manufacturer, we wanted to be so concerned about whatever the tyres getting manufactured from LOCOS brand, we wanted it to get back from the market and we wanted to do this recycling. This is what we are doing.